did get lucky on some of the aspects because there's this actually goes down to the sandstone bedrock. So I used to have a gauge here, and not a good spot, underwater and everything, and also can collect a little bit of air. Air is bad. So I've got the, what I'm going to swap it for is, this is truly just a standard swing check valve, and you put it in backwards so it slams shut, and turn it upside down or sideways. Then you're using a gravitational spring. Gravity meaning the acceleration of gravity that pulls it open. Gives it a little help. I mean, but that's just a standard, no spring other than gravity. Just because it's upside down. Okay. Another interesting thing is right here, this post and this tape, the bottom of this is the absolute bottom of the wastegate, or the dead end shaft line. Okay, well, I'll pull this off of here. Just on screws. Okay, cool. Just make sure I got this right. I just kind of keep it open with my finger so I don't get too like action. Otherwise it beats up the thread. The shock waves really kick hard. This is, if you turn it upside down like that, it'll run. That's it. It doesn't get any simpler than that. Stop it. Okay, there we go. The impacts tend to bind the heads together. Well, it's plastic. So that's just a reverse check valve. All it is. Upside down. Hey. This I just pulled open. This one is like that. It's a little different. A little less impact. It has a rubber O-ring. I'm just going to close it. Let it pump down. Whew. Water is chilly.